Hello everyone, welcome back to English for Today. This is video 1.2 in our playlist, Daily English Conversations for Beginners.
Today, you will practice a very common situation, ordering food at a restaurant.
First, you will listen to the dialogue. Then, you can practice shadowing, repeating after us.
And at the end, we will review useful vocabulary together.
Great, let's begin.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Is there a table for one?
Yes, of course. Please follow me. Here is your table.
Thank you. It looks very comfortable.
Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please. I'm quite hungry.
Here you are. We have starters, main courses, and desserts, all freshly made.
Can I start with a drink?
Certainly. Would you like water, juice, or something else?
Do you have orange juice?
Yes, freshly squeezed.
Perfect. I'll take that.
Excellent. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you. By the way, what is today's special?
Today, we have grilled chicken with vegetables. Many customers love it.
Sounds delicious. I might try that later.
Here is your orange juice.
Thank you. Very fresh.
Are you ready to order a starter?
I'm thinking. What do you recommend?
Our tomato soup is very popular. The salad is fresh and light.
Tomato soup. Yes, that sounds good.
1 tomato soup. Would you like bread with it?
Yes, please. Bread would be nice. Can you tell me about other starters?
Certainly. We have garlic bread, cheese sticks, and a mixed vegetable salad.
Garlic bread. Maybe next time.
The tomato soup is a classic. Many people prefer it.
Okay, then tomato soup it is.
And for your main course?
I'm not sure yet. Can you tell me more about the grilled chicken?
It's served with carrots, broccoli, and potatoes.
I like chicken. But what about fish?
The fish is baked with lemon and herbs, with rice and salad.
That also sounds good. Difficult to choose.
Take your time. Both are very tasty.
Okay, I'll go with grilled chicken.
Good choice. Would you like a drink with it?
I'll keep my orange juice. By the way, how long has this restaurant been open?
Almost 10 years. Many locals come regularly.
Impressive. The atmosphere feels very friendly.
We try to make everyone comfortable.
The tomato soup is amazing. Very creamy and flavorful.
Glad you like it. Would you like more bread later?
Maybe later, thank you. Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, grilled vegetables and fresh salads. Many customers enjoy them.
Great. Next time I'll try that. This juice is so fresh. Do you make it daily?
Yes, fresh every day. Local oranges.
Perfect taste. Can you tell me more about dessert?
Chocolate cake, fruit salad, ice cream.
Ice cream sounds great. What flavors?
Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry.
So many choices. Chocolate, please. Do you have many tourists here?
Yes, especially in summer. Many visit the old market and Riverside Park.
Lovely. I like walking by the river.
It's peaceful and relaxing.
Weekends must be busy.
Very busy. People come with family and friends.
Do you enjoy busy days?
Sometimes. Busy days are tiring, but fun.
I can imagine. Do you like coffee or tea?
Coffee in the morning, tea in the afternoon. Balanced.
Same here. Wow, soup is flavorful. Bread is perfect.
Local ingredients make a difference.
This place feels very cozy. Regulars must come often.
Yes, we tried to make them feel at home.
Orange juice is really sweet.
Fresh every day.
Haha, it's so good. I think I'm ready for dessert.
Chocolate ice cream coming up.
Looks amazing.
Enjoy.
Creamy and delicious. Everything was wonderful. I'm full now.
Shall I bring your bill?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Insert it.
Done. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a great evening.
Haha, that was a long meal. I feel so relaxed now. I love how everything was cooked perfectly. The soup, the chicken, even the dessert. Every bite was enjoyable.
I'm happy you enjoyed it. Many people come here to relax and have long meals with friends or family.
It's perfect. I noticed some people came in and stayed for hours, just talking and enjoying the food.
Yes, some customers do that. It's part of the friendly atmosphere.
I might do the same next time. Stay longer, chat, maybe try different dishes.
That's the spirit. We like it when people enjoy their time here, not just eat quickly.
I could see why this restaurant was popular. Everything feels fresh and welcoming.
That's our goal. And we try to make everyone feel comfortable, like they're at home.
I appreciate that. Even small things, like the way the soup was served, the temperature of the food, everything felt just right.
Presentation and care matter. People notice these details.
I did notice, and I enjoyed it.
I'm glad. So next time you might try a vegetarian dish or a special dessert.
Absolutely. I might even come with friends and share several dishes.
That's very popular. People like to share and taste multiple items.
That's a great idea. I could try the fish, vegetables, and maybe a salad as well.
Perfect. That way you experience more flavors.
I really enjoyed chatting with you. It made the meal more pleasant.
Likewise, conversation adds to the experience.
I will definitely return soon. This was a wonderful evening.
We'll be happy to see you again.
I'll definitely return soon. This was a wonderful evening.
We'll be happy to see you again.
Before I go, can we quickly look at some new words I learned today?
Of course, it's a good idea. Let's make a short list.
First, I learned reservation. That's when you book a table before coming, right?
Exactly. Number 1, reservation.
Number 2, starter. That's the first small dish before the main meal.
Very good. Number 3, main course. The main dish you eat after the starter.
Number 4, special. It means today's featured dish, like your grilled chicken.
Correct. Number 5, creamy. The soup was creamy, soft and smooth.
Yes, the tomato soup was creamy. Number 6, freshly squeezed, like my orange juice.
Perfect. Number 7, portion. It means the amount of food on your plate.
Number 8, herbs. You said the fish is baked with lemon and herbs.
Exactly. Number 9, cozy. This restaurant feels cozy and comfortable.
And finally, number 10, flavors. I tried so many flavors today.
Very good. That's 10 useful words.
Wow, that was a nice review. I'll remember these words next time.
Me too. Learning English while enjoying a meal is fun.
Absolutely. I'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.